Hello?
Hey, girl, my man, how are you? You say you're tired and miserable. Let me say you're tough now, you're good.
For real?
Wanna know my man in a dirty car.
Alright, let me talk. I bet your man never tell you, say you're in love with me. Each up and I need me every night and every day. Girl, please, you sound so pathetic. Me used to feel bad, but now I don't sympathetic. Cause you are going like a idiot. And if you think did good, then the man wouldn't flee that. I think I know me that, but him just buy me the range. Y'all sit down and breathe it. Where now me I take him, and him take care of my good, so me do out for lift him. Him like say me do stress him. Unlike you, all you do I just argue and press him. Y'all make me teach you a thing or two. Like how for bubbling him complain about you. And a mommy or daddy in a dolly house this. Him tired of the missionary want some tricks. Anyways, me and him just start a business. Got my thing off a set him say him want 2 kids. I mean I got games, so thank God for yours. Cause if I never phone a pick no them, him left you for the world. So you miss wifey there, don't bright. Stop one like you want this me. Cause you don't know the half of his life. And your man give me the history. So just easy, because me fed up too. When him done with me, him have to come home to you. Not the ideal situation, but we have to come to terms, say the two are we are share man. Living in the new millennium, so just deal. But if you want to left them, me will take him for the sale. Where you are call me fire, better get real. Cause nothing where you say it, now go change how me feel. Sure, and him don't care neither. Time done to send my heart to call him system, he's a rider. Bedroom dive and glider. You could let have to take me in and make the house wider. I do what me know I have ambition. Just like Shaggy and friends, you know I'm on a mission. Promise me the world, I'm gonna take it. Hey girl, you better name bun like how you did, baby. So you miss wifey there, don't bright. Stop going like you want this me. Cause you don't know the half of his life. And your man give me the history. So just easy, because me fed up too. When him done with me, him have to come home to you. Not the ideal situation, but we have to come to terms, say the two are we are share man. So just easy, because me fed up too. When him done with me, him have to come home to you. Not the ideal situation, but we have to come to terms, say the two are we are share man.